Traveling is a thrilling experience that opens up a world of possibilities, but it doesn't have to break the bank. With the right budget-friendly travel accessories, you can enhance your journey without draining your wallet. Whether you're a backpacker exploring remote landscapes or a city hopper discovering new cultures, these top 5 budget travel accessories will make your adventure more enjoyable, comfortable, and convenient. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Portable power bank. In today's digital age, staying connected while traveling is essential. A portable power bank is a must-have accessory that ensures your devices, such as smartphones and tablets, stay charged throughout your journey. Look for power banks with high-capacity batteries and multiple USB ports to charge multiple devices simultaneously. You'll never have to worry about missing that perfect sunset photo or navigating through an unfamiliar city with a dead phone battery. In addition to keeping your devices charged, portable power banks are versatile tools for travelers. So, investing in a reliable power bank is a smart choice for any traveler on a budget. 2. Microfiber travel towel. Traditional towels can be bulky and take up valuable luggage space, but a microfiber travel towel is a game changer for budget-conscious travelers. These lightweight and compact towels are highly absorbent, quick-drying, and antimicrobial. They come in various sizes, making them versatile for everything from drying off after a swim to wiping down surfaces in a hostel. Microfiber travel towels are not only functional, but also eco-friendly. With their quick-drying properties, you can use them day after day, and they'll still feel fresh and clean. 3. Reusable water bottle with filter. Staying hydrated while traveling is crucial, but buying bottled water can add up quickly, both in terms of cost and environmental impact. A reusable water bottle with a built-in filter allows you to fill up from tap water sources safely. Look for bottles that use advanced filtration technology to remove impurities and make water taste better. Not only does this save you money, but it also reduces single-use plastic waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. These bottles are ideal for travelers exploring regions where access to clean drinking water is a concern. The filtration system can purify water from various sources, ensuring that you have a reliable supply of safe and clean water wherever your adventures take you. Additionally, many airports now have water refill stations, so you can fill up your bottle before boarding your flight, saving you from overpriced airport beverages. 4. Travel neck pillow. Long journeys, whether by plane, train, or bus, can be exhausting. A travel neck pillow provides much-needed comfort and support, allowing you to catch some quality rest on the go. Opt for an inflatable or memory foam neck pillow that can be easily compressed and attached to your luggage. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your overall travel experience, especially during overnight trips. 5. Packing cubes. Staying organized on the road can be a challenge, but packing cubes can help keep your belongings tidy and accessible. These lightweight and budget-friendly accessories come in various sizes and colors, making it easy to categorize and locate your clothing and gear. They also help maximize space in your luggage, allowing you to fit more items without overpacking. With packing cubes, you can say goodbye to the chaos of rummaging through your suitcase to find that one item. Packing cubes are particularly valuable for travelers who need to access different items of clothing or gear at various points during their trip. Instead of unpacking and repacking your entire bag, you can simply remove the relevant cube. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or convenience. By investing in these top 5 budget-friendly travel accessories, you can enhance your travel experience without breaking the bank. From staying connected with a portable power bank to getting a good night's sleep with a travel neck pillow. These accessories are essential companions for any budget-savvy adventurer. So, pack your bags, hit the road, and make unforgettable memories with these wallet-friendly travel companions by your side. With the right tools, your journey will be smoother, more enjoyable, and more affordable than you ever imagined. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.